Sam and I are super excited. We're starting Boat for Hope 2023. All right, here we go. We're getting off now. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Have fun.
Bye.
June 29th, last day of school.
Whoa. Awesome.
Is that awesome?
Okay, say hi. Say hi to everybody, and then we'll go check in.
Yeah.
Get him, Sam, get him! Wow. Get him! Oh, they're scared, they're scared!
Come get it. You can sit up in the captain's seat and take pictures there too if you want.
Sam, look at this on this police boat. So cool.
So is this a rest?
All right, let's go to the party. What a great time we had at Variety Boat for Hope 2023. We are so lucky that we got invited, and we hope to do it again next year. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.